good afternoon to one and all. I'm Mrs. Ifat Jahan, an active family member of Turning Point Group of Schools. I'm the principal of Bahadurpura branch. Turning Point Group of Schools need not any introduction as we have many branches in Hyderabad and Alhamdulillah we are growing day by day. Our managing director Mr. Sheikh Mahmood sir is a cooperative and hard-working person. With his cooperation and support, we are doing the best with our children. And Sheikh Imran sir is a very active member and a true mentor, and he guides us in everything and in a very good way. And Mrs. Tahniyat ma'am is the backbone of this branch. We have gathered here to celebrate Red Day in Santosh Nagar branch. We are doing many skill developing activities in our schools to mold our children by doing these activities, Red Day, Blue Day, Yellow Day, as the children. Not only this, we have started e-learning smart classes in our school as Astrogen series for kindergarten. We do many skill developing activities to build confidence in children. Not only in kindergarten, but we have started Xerox series e-learning in primary section, and we are doing personal developing activities, conversation classes to build confidence and speaking power. We conduct seminars and trainings for teachers. We are giving to give the best to our children. We are doing physical developing activities as well, like karate, cricket, football. Within no time we will reach heights. We are getting more and more admission from other schools even. Thank you, stay blessed, have a nice day.
The principal and managing director of Turning Point Group of Schools. The head office is located in Santosh Nagar. As we have conducted a Red Day celebration here, as you people know that without colors, how the world looks. You cannot expect the world is beautiful without colors. In order to explain them, we have conducted an activity show in the school. Name is said to be a Red Day celebration. Here we are motivating the students as we have completed 1 month of school education. In that 1 month, the students are able to identify the colors, and we wanted to show them the importance of red. As you know that the vegetables, the fruits, which are fruits and household appliances like gas cylinders like that, which comes with the red color, we need to show them. And as our students who have worked very hard with the teachers in order to show their parents their personal efforts in front of their parents, and we have motivated them, we guide them, and we are working on the efforts and energy of the students. As we are even giving the message to the parent that they need to work on efforts and the energy of the students, they need to understand the future of the students, and they need to understand their efforts. So by this I want to conclude that, and I even want to give the message that we are having one more activity show which is in our Rainbow School, which is located at Chandulal Banagadu, this coming Thursday, and even another program will be conducted in Pahadi Sharif branch, which is on Saturday. So I hope